Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ocean. The Ocean token or Ocean protocol, whatever you want to call it, however you know it, it doesn't matter, it's the same thing. I'll refer to it as Ocean since that's the name of the token, but I wanted to do a full video on that because we actually are very bullish right now. I saw it in the top gainers from the top 500. What you can see right now is that Ocean is doing amazing. The bad part about it though is that it is manipulated. First of all, I mean, before we dive into that and before I deliver my proof of that, because I do have proof, at least in my eyes, I do want to state that I think Ocean Protocol is a great project. All right, long term it's great. Obviously, it has done very well in this year as well with the whole AI narrative. But apart from that, long term, I don't think there's anything you need to worry about. Short term, I do think you need to worry about some sort of a crash coming in. Now, with manipulated cryptos, though, you never know when it's going to crash. So that's one of the things we'll be talking about in this video. But I would be very careful with it. So that's just a quick warning at the beginning of this video. Now, before we dive into the rest of Ocean Protocol, and I'll tell you why it's manipulated, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, because I'm a full-time trader outside of YouTube as well, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Ocean. So, alright, so to start off with why it's manipulated. Usually when you see a crypto like this, like there's no news. You did your research, there's no news causing this move. Apart from that, you take a look at the price and you can see that this is quite steep. Like in a matter of 5 minutes, $5 million in Ocean was bought. That's usually manipulation. And then you take a look at the markets. So where's the volume coming from? And then you see like 3% coming from BitDump. So you think, well, I know BitDump is usually an exchange where a lot of manipulation comes from, but 3% is not that much. But then you think, well, CoinMarketCap is not the best source for this. Like 70% of the volume is coming from Binance, and that's $16 million. And the total volume right now is 55 million. That does not add up. All right, so then you go to CoinGecko, and what you'll see there is that over or almost 50% of the volume comes from Buy1, which is an exchange I've never heard of. So a little bit of a red flag. And BitTrue, which is another exchange where quite a lot of manipulation comes from. So now you know it's manipulated. All right. Now the big question is from where will we fall down? All right. So right now technically we are still very bullish. We broke above, or we did not break above the 200 EMA. But we actually, we broke above this level right here at 33 cents, and we have also took a break retest off of that. So we are still bullish. So at this point of time, what's going to happen is that, first of all, I do expect some more, or it kind of depends. Like it depends a lot on this candle, because right now we've still found resistance at that 200 EMA. If with the next candle we can actually break above that 200 EMA, I would say we're going up to our next resistance level, which is right here between 37 and 38 cents. Which could also happen because I do expect some more bullish momentum from Bitcoin today. So that in combination with this could mean that we're going all the way up here. And from there we can talk again about whether we can get up to 40 cents or not. But that's a bit of a problem for the future. But for now, that does look like the most likely scenario. It does depend on if we can break above the 200 EMA or not. But honestly, I don't think we can break above 37.5 cents. So from there, it's a level where I would consider shorting from. And apart from that, if we cannot break above the 200 EMA right now with this candle, what will happen is that we'll drop down to this level, which is quite a strong support level right now, between 32 and 31 cents. But at some point of time, that's just going to break. And if that breaks, we'll drop down to 30 cents and we'll slowly start dropping back down to the levels we were at before, around 28 and 27.5 cents. Right, so overall a crash is expected, whether that's going to be from current levels, which then I would not necessarily directly expect a crash because there is quite strong support right now around 32 and 31 cents, or whether that's from 37 cents, from which I would expect quite a big fall. That's something we'll still have to see, but I do expect that fall. For now, I'll keep my eyes on Ocean. Maybe I'll still make some sort of a YouTube shorts on it or something, but that's my take on it for now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.